I think there is something to be learned from oil to look at our energetic paradigm. So the work that I've been doing with Diego is really inspired by theoretical thinking. In this case, we worked a lot with some concepts of different authors about energy and energetic paradigms.
Öl. Es geht Öl.
I think Manuel is a great musician and she does like theater in a very musical way. So I get to see how she plays with these machines that are in a way created.
It's a noise essay because it's done in a very musical way. Thinking about issues using the most sensible part of the theater, which is rhythm and the use of time, which is basically what music is.
Öl und Tod. Naja, Öl, Millionen von Jahre alt. Dinosaft. Dino juice.
The piece is also about our relationship to death as a society, as a system. We think we don't have any limits anymore, and oil as a thing that is death might be able to teach us how to die again. Is that fucking crazy? Okay.
That's nice.
Wonderful. All right. Are you staying in the city for the weekend?
Yes, I have a show today.
Oh fuck. Your life is so exhausting.
It is.